Welcome back to another episode of Whip Media TV. Happy holidays to all my Vibe Tribe out there. Hope you're enjoying it with your family and your loved ones. Today's episode is something special I wanted to put together for you guys. So I hope you enjoy, and if you're new to the channel, you know what to do to the channel. Subscribe right now. Now for the people who actually know me, they would tell you fame is not an ingredient I like to mix in my goals or my everyday life. And in these times, it may look like in order for you to get rich or make life-changing money, you have to be famous. See, fame is actually more harmful in these times due to social media more than ever. Let's face it, sometimes it can work for you because people feel connected to you, and benefits come with that. But what happens when fame turns into fear? For example, being famous trying to live up to your supporters' outlook of you, when the truth is, they only know a shell of you, maybe 5% of who you actually are, if that. So here it is, 5 reasons why it's better to be rich and not famous. The goal is to be a rich nobody rather than a poor somebody. Number 1, you have to focus on what truly matters. Whenever you create something you're proud of, there's a natural tendency to want to tell everybody about your success. Look at me, I'm so great. The more you share, the more addicted you become to the attention and the less you focus on the work that made you proud in the first place. There are people who are trapped in a cyclone of self-validation, constantly posting selfies of a new look on Twitter, showing off new cars on Facebook, or writing about yet another fabulous vacation on Instagram. Think about it. If your self-esteem is strong, why do you need to tell anybody about anything you do? We all need some sort of attention or validation, I get it, but moderation is the word. Don't let such need to be recognized get out of control. Number 2, you become more impervious to insults. After you've been called a loser, an idiot, arrogant, out of touch, shameful, broke, and many other untasteful things, your mind turns bulletproof. They said you're a nobody, right? So nothing can be any lower. And just because of it, even the smallest words of kindness are meaningful. Number 3, you can live your life in peace. Being famous sometimes could be almost like a curse. Yet for some reason, kids seem to have an eager desire for worldwide attention. And it's only due to social media and sometimes bad parenting, so you can't blame them. See, when you're famous, many people want something from you, mostly your time. And giving time is more valuable than money. Being known robs you of your most precious asset. Thank goodness you're not famous. Number 4, there are no expectations of you. When you're a nobody, nobody expects you to do anything or do anything special. Therefore, you can regularly surpass expectations. Think about all the celebrities out there who are expected to always look good in public. Most of the time, normal people just want to put on some comfortable clothes after washing their faces and go for a walk or a jog in the park without anybody taking their picture. It's no fun having the weight of the world on your shoulders. Life is so much better when you can surprise on the upside and be judged based on only what you do. Number 5, you allow your children to be their own people. I feel sorry for the children of celebrities who find themselves in the limelight because of parental transgressions. Children shouldn't have to suffer due to the sins of their parent, nor should children be forced to feel the pressure of matching their parents' success. Inspired? Yes. Don't exploit your children to further your ego or business interests. Protect them until they are old enough to make rational decisions for themselves. Let them tell their own story. So Vibe Tribe, just be rich, not famous. All this desire for fame and prestige is truly a waste of time. Get your 15 minutes of fame to satisfy your curiosity, maybe get 30 minutes, just to be sure. Soak it all up, play the status game for a little bit, then let go. Until next time, Mickey made it.